Translating a phrase into a one-step equation. Okay, so we have those almost exact directions again. Translate the phrase into an algebraic expression. And then they say the product of b and phi. So one of the main things is when you're in here is you may need to take some notes. So that's definitely something that we should be doing. And if you notice, I stole their same little diagram and just put it over here in my notepad. So that way I have this reference the whole time. And this is a great reference. You may need this later in math. So the more we keep notes, the more we write it down, the more we are likely to remember what all of these things mean and how to use them. So first, if we just go through the list, when we hear the words sum, increased by, more than, added to, those all mean addition. So it means we're going to add things together. When we hear difference, decreased by, less than, subtracted from, those words mean subtraction. Product times twice, those mean multiplication. And twice means to multiply specifically by 2. Quotient divided by, those mean division. So product is the result of multiplication, so the answer. Quotient, that's also the answer to a division problem. Difference is the answer to a subtraction problem, and sum is the answer to an addition problem. So those words specifically have to do with the answers that you're given. So we just want to translate these into a numerical sentence instead of the words. So then we break down the words and we know product, well, that's over here in the multiplication. So product of b and 5, that means I'm going to multiply b and 5. So when I multiply a number and a variable, I squish them together and I just get 5b. So the answer for this one is just 5b. All right, so let's go ahead and break down the other ones here. So translate this one, or this phrase, sorry, into an algebraic expression. The quotient of x and 5. Can't read right now. So the quotient of x and 5. So quotient I see down here in division. So I know I'm going to divide, and I'm going to divide x and 5. So I'm going to click divide, and I'm click. It's the quotient of x and 5. So check. And we're good to go. All right, next. So this one we have b less than 6. So we come over here and we need to find less than, and here I see it right here with subtraction. So b less than 6. So we want pretty sure, unless I'm reading it wrong, we want to take b away from 6. So let's check. I could have that backwards. Oh, okay, perfect. I was really hoping I had that one the right way. So that's the only thing that's tricky with subtraction sometimes is they do say it in a funny way, but because they said b less than 6, I want to take the b away from the 6. So just be careful about the way they say subtraction sometimes. All right, so x more than 2. So we come over here. What does more than mean? Oh, that means addition. So I have x more than 2. And with addition, it doesn't matter if you say 2 plus x or x plus 2. They should give it to you either way. Subtraction's a little bit more picky, and so is division. So multiplication and addition, you can kind of flip-flop and write it however, but subtraction and division have to be written in a specific way, or it won't be the correct problem. All right, we finished another one.